packs. So let's get opening. So here we go for the first pack. So team of the season 100%. Whoa, great card. Oh my gosh, let's go! A KDB 97 rated. What a player! What a player! Okay, not a great rest of the pack, but pretty good. Okay, now 293 AP special packs. Let's see what we can get. So, opening. Oh, it's a good one. England, Chelsea, right wing, and it's going to be Raheem Sterling. What a player! 95 rated. Let's go. Over the second pack. What are we getting? And it's a team of the season. This can be great. First central man. Oh, Marquinhos. What a player as well. Oh my gosh. We are getting some bangers. I will take that. Now we're going to take this for our last pack. Okay. It is an icon. It's German. Yep. Striker. And, oh, Muller. Rubbish. I haven't got the card, but not the best. Okay, guys, I'm back. So this is part 2. I'll put them together. So, yeah. Here we go. And, no. Not the best, not the worst. I'm happy with that. That was just super round, so yeah. And then, I guess we can do some more packs. Okay, so, icon. Brazil. Left back. Roberto Carlos is a new card, but don't like the cards that much. I don't think it's... Oh! It's a shapeshifter, I think. Oh, this looks like it's going to be a good one. What's up? Striker. Oh my gosh, what a card! What an amazing card! Let's go! Okay, next one. Yes, team of the season. Could be good, it could be bad. Inter Milan. Oh, Barella. What a card as well, Barella! I didn't actually think it was 95. That's actually really good. And Mullen! What? That was one of the best packs I've seen. Let's go for some of these. Oh, rubbish. That was a really bad pack, that one. Oh, Bundesliga. Rubbish. Oh, looks like it's a regular rare. It's Van Dijk. I have this card there, I see anything. Not a bad one. Now the last special. Oh, rubbish. We did not get a very good card from them, but don't you worry. Just because we didn't get good stuff from that, don't mean it'll be a bad video. Because we can choose another 93 rated card. And this time, I think I'm going to go for Camavinga. He's such a good player. So yeah, I'll just see if there's any other stuff I can do. Just give you the new cards. Yep, this one. This one, Raheem Sterling. This one. This one. This one. Let's see if there's any more. Is there any more? Can't see them. Oh yeah, the Camavinga. There should be some other ones, I just don't have them right now. Well, I can't see them. So yeah,